Our 24-inch Thai fried ice cream roll machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, 24 inches in length. A depth of 24¼ inches. Overall height with wheels, 50 inches. The measurement from the wheels to the top of the ice cream roll area will be 34 inches in height. Minus the wheels, we have 29 inches in height. And without the wheels, from the bottom of the top of the cover holding the containers will be 45 inches tall. Measurements for the area to make your ice cream will be 20 inches in radius, and included 4 separate containers for your storage for your toppings and everything else for your ice cream. Measurements will be 4 inches and 3/4 in radius by 3 inches in height. Measurements for each tin container with lid. Coming to the left is your ETL certification. Front with the on and off, temperature control, and your defrost. All the functions will be on this plate. Last but not least, standard 110/120 voltage connection. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.